Hello, my name is Gabby Taylor. One of the reasons why I took this class is because right now I currently work with adolescents. I work at a local high school, and my target population is the students that are considered homeless, displaced, or in transition. I also work with the students who are currently in truancy court, and I work within the guidance office, so I register students as well and kind of act as a community liaison based off of whatever issues they are having coming in or whatever supports the student needs. Um, I also am working on my RBT right now, Registered Behavior Technician, so I'll be doing ABA with kids with autism. So I was really interested to see, what I could possibly learn, in addition to the community resources that I'm already aware of to better assist my families. My eventual goal, once I do obtain this degree, is to um, push forward to go for my LCSW because I do want to um, be a family crisis therapist. I want to work with families and children who have experienced severe trauma or are currently in crisis. That's my eventual goal. And so I really just wanted to learn as much as I could about what other resources are out there, what are the types of therapies best serve these families, um, what other types of programs or methods are out there that can better help me provide services to them, that kind of thing. One of the things I guess I would want people to know about child abuse that's really important to me, especially working in the school system. One thing that we have been working on implementing is more trauma-informed care because a lot of our staff, mostly our teachers, don't really know what the signs of trauma are. And a lot of times when a kid is just acting out or their behavior is just intolerable, they can't get them to do anything in class, they won't follow instructions. There's constant outbursts of cursing fits and mood swings and skipping class and storming out of class. There's the first question is never usually, you know, what happened to them. It's usually what's wrong with them, which is something we often talk about in trauma-informed care. Um, their first reaction is, get this kid out of my class or switch them to someone else's class. And there's not often immediately enough a conversation about what might be going on with the student. I was working with a student just recently, younger brother, 10 years old, passed away, and the teacher was made aware of what was going on. And the student in the past has had very, very severe, um, teachers would consider rebellious behaviors, not really wanting to do anything, not wanting to come into class, giving a lot of attitude or disrespect when being asked to do so, or really being asked to do anything. And this is a tragedy that recently happened very soon after he started trying to get himself together. And a lot of times, people still will have the same perception or view of a child even after certain changes are made and then something traumatic happens to them. So that's something else to keep in mind as well. If a kid does have certain behaviors in the beginning that a person may not recognize or even decide to maybe dive into more to see if it is something related to a trauma, a lot of times when the kid does start to receive some supports or services, other people can come into the picture that are also working with the kid and not have that background. And regardless of the fact that they're trying to change, they may find out that background and treat them a certain way that can cause those behaviors to reoccur. So I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you and learning as much as I can in this class. And thanks for listening.